Welcome! In front of me is a MEDION E5005 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, I want to open up whatever you want to capture, so I'm just gonna use this home screen. And once you have it open, you want to hold volume down and power key simultaneously, like so. You'll get this sound and a little thumbnail of the image that you have captured, and then it can be found in the photo gallery. So let's find the photo up right here. And if you go into the albums, you will find the screenshot folder where the screenshot will be located. So that is how you would capture a screenshot, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.